back to the channel. We're going to be installing some taillights today. Alright, we're going to do both sides. I got the nice brand new pair here. It's cheaper to just get new ones than it is to try to rebuild these. You can buy the individual lenses, but I mean, it's all brand new stuff. Why try to fight it? So, you might notice the mess in here. I'll show you. We got, in here, there was I think it was a 90 or a 91 740, I think GL wagon. And it had all this interior trim that was in really good shape, so I stripped it of pretty much everything. So all the stuff that's broken in here is going to be getting replaced with, I don't want to say new stuff, but stuff that's not all busted up. I mean, it still has some broken clips. It fought me a little bit, but it's in a lot better shape than the other stuff that I have that came out of this car. Anyways, this is what the taillights look like. You can see why I'm replacing them. They're just cracked. I'm pretty sure they're both the same. Yeah, these are the originals as well, but you see they're just busted. It's not worth trying to save them. The only thing I'm going to reuse off of these is there's a gasket that comes on these, and that's pretty much the only thing I'm going to reuse. Other than that, that's it. So let me get you set up. But all I got to do here, guys, is I got to take this panel off here and this panel off here. It's this whole thing. I got to take all that off to access. There's literally, like, if you look at the back of these things, there's 3 nuts. Boom, boom, boom. 3 nuts to hold these on. You know, all the bulbs I'll reuse that are still good. Anything that I need, I'll just take off the wrecked turbo sedan over here. So ordered a lot of parts for this car. Something that I'm waiting on are new struts. These are probably the originals. They say Volvo on them. They're completely blown, hence why I have a 2x4 holding this up. So let me get these panels out and we'll replace these taillights. Check this out, guys. So I had to take out this trim here and this panel here. I did break one clip. I'm not shocked. This is old brittle plastic, but check out in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a dirt dauber nest, and then you really can't. There they are. Yeah, he said those are yellow jacket nests, but there's nothing alive in here. Other than that, it looks good. There's just a bunch of dead yellow jackets and wasp and everything in this car. So let me get this light out and swap in the new one. So what I need off of this, the only thing I need off of this are the light bulbs. Whatever ones are still good. I think they all still work, so I'll use them. And I need this gasket. That's all I need off of this thing. This is an original light, and it shows. I mean, it is. I don't think this thing's ever been taken apart. The gasket's in good shape though, so that's awesome. Need that. I was banking on the gasket to still be good. So let me go clean the gasket up, and yeah, if you look, right here's a big crack right here. So these taillight housings were done anyways. They were already cracked, besides the outside. So let me go clean this up. All right, I scrubbed it down pretty well. I don't think some of this stuff's gonna come off. It's good for me right now. Yeah, that's just the rubber deteriorating. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. But other than that, it looks like it's pretty good, Nick. It should work. at the difference just doing that did. Here's the old one. There's the new one. Make sure it's still recording. We still recording? Yeah. All right, I gotta go clean this gasket off now. I'll be right back. Got this gasket cleaned up pretty well. So now I just gotta put this gasket on this light. We're all done, guys. I think that looks pretty damn good. Compared to what I had up there, this is a million times better. Let's hook the battery up and see how the lights look. So this car does run. I don't need to even start it to use these lights, but all right. Hook the battery up. See what we got. Cool. Let's see if we get those fog lights to work. That looks good. Put the fog lights on. There's the rear fogs. Rear fogs working. Oh yeah. Look at that. So much better. There we go. How's that look? So these are my running lights. These are my rear fog lights. I run these at night all the time just because they're so damn bright and it just makes your car more visible. But yeah, that's a million times better, guys. Looks so much better. I can't get my turn signals or hazards to work. I have a bulb out up front, so I'm thinking that might be the issue. I'll have to dig into that a little further. But other than that, I'm super happy with how they came out. Everything looks good. Let's see how the brake lights work. Brake lights. That one's not working. So looks like I need to replace a bulb here. Let's see what it is. There it goes. That'll work. Now the lights are working. Cool. Looks good. Let's see how reverse works. They're in reverse. All right, everything's working, minus the turn signals. I still have some work to do up front, so that might be the issue. I got some not electrical issues, but my lights up there are just trash, so I'm waiting on a few more parts, guys, but I should have those squared away soon. I'm really happy with how these turned out. So yeah, looks good, nice and bright. Reverse lights work, everything works. All right, let's turn this off. Got the new taillights installed on the 745 Turbo. I have more parts coming in for this car. I already got the headlights, new fog lights, turn signals, parking lights, corner lights, you name it, I got it new for this car. So this is what I'm gonna be working on tomorrow. We're gonna get these headlights squared away. So what I'm gonna do is we're replacing, I got all new turn signals, corner lights, I got new headlights. The only thing that really needs attention, just headlights, not the actual whole assembly, are these chrome surrounds. I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna paint them. I have this chrome paint. I think that would match it pretty well. I mean, I know this car isn't perfect, so what the hell, might as well try it. It looks better than it does. So that's what we're gonna tackle tomorrow, guys. We're gonna do these headlights, all right? All right, so tomorrow we're going to tackle the headlights on this thing. It's probably going to be a 2-day process. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.